Hello friends, today we're going to discuss about acute respiratory tract infection. Acute respiratory tract infection is kind of pediatric disease that takes lot of life in children below 5 years of age throughout the world. Though acute respiratory tract infection can occur from both upper respiratory tract and lower respiratory tract infection, but it has been found that almost in 60 to 70% of the cases, the acute respiratory tract infection or ARI causes from the lower respiratory tract infection. The bacteria that are responsible for this is Streptococcus pneumoniae or Pneumococcus, Haemophilus influenzae, and Staphylococcus aureus. So these are the three bacteria that are held responsible primarily for ARI. Clinically, ARI is categorized into two categories: under 2 months of age and under and 2 months to 5 years of age children. And in them, it is categorized on the basis of two clinical features, that is difficulty in respiration manifested as chest indrawing, cough and cold, and another is rapid respiration or fast breathing, and it is characterized by some respiration rate which are as follow. Patient below 2 months of age, if have respiratory rate of more than 60, is considered to be fast breathing. Similarly, if a patient whose age is belongs to the age group of 2 to 12 months, if breathe more than 50, is considered as a fast breathing. And so as the baby belongs to the age group of 12 month to 60 month, if breathing more than 40 is considered as fast breathing. So these are the criteria of categorizing patient to be breathing fast or not on the basis of their age group. Now for the sake of treatment, we categorize the patient into two age group, that is one that below 2 months of age and another that have 2 months to 5 years of age. Now the patient or the child that are 2 months of age or below are generally categorized into two, that is patient either have no respiratory problem or have a acute severe respiratory distress. And to patient to have a severe respiratory distress, he or she must have three or more of the following symptoms, that is fever, wheezing, tachypnea, altered sensorium, chest indrawing, central cyanosis, grunting, apneic spell, distended stomach, convulsion, abnormal, abnormally sleepy, and difficulty to walk. So these are some symptoms that are demonstrated by the patient in suffering from ARI under 2 months of age. The treatment for this patient is basically administering to the hospital, starting the oxygen inhalation, and give the injection of gentamicin and penicillin or ampicillin along with some supportive care. But the key factor in this case is to recognize the patient as early as possible by seeing the above mentioned sign and symptoms. Now we come to the patient belonging to the age group of 2 months to 5 years. In this category, we categorize patient into three stage or severity, that is no pneumonia, pneumonia, and severe pneumonia. Now, what are the three categories? What are these three categories? First is the sign and symptom. If the patient have only cough and cold, but no chest indrawing or no fast breathing, then patient is considered to have no pneumonia. And treatment for them is home remedy and some symptomatic treatment. And the place of treatment is obviously home and not required to be admitted to hospital. Whereas in pneumonia, the sign and symptoms are basically fast breathing, but to be noted that patient do not have any chest injury. In them, the patient is mainly treated with drug cotrimoxazole, and the place of treatment is again home. Now comes the severe pneumonia. Severe pneumonia are those patients who have both fast breathing as well as chest injury. They are treated as with IV or intramuscular penicillin, and the place of treatment is hospital. Nowadays, another category has been incorporated, that is very severe pneumonia along with above three. In them, we see the chest indrawing, fast breathing, inability to feed, and cyanosis. These are the patient considered to be on stage of impending death, and very prompt treatment and aggressive treatment hence required. Patient is immediately put in the treatment of this very severe pneumonia. Patient is immediately admitted to hospital, preferably in ITU. The oxygen inhalation is started. Injection chloramphenicol is given in this case, not the cotrimoxazole or penicillin, and continue to done so until patient return to patient began to have consciousness and feel better. Remember that ARI can be treated but require a prompt treatment for the best result. With this, we concluded our discussion on acute respiratory tract infection. Hopefully, you have been benefited.